प्रकाश से ओतप्रोत सविता,
abounding with the golden light, Savita.
स्वर्णिम सूर्य हिमालय के सर्वोच्च शिखर पर ध्यान कीजिए।
Looking like a bright red gold. Meditate on it.
साधक का सविता को समर्पण,
Try to surrender yourselves to the Savita, Sun God. Just like
ईंधन आपकी तरह समर्पण,
Just like we offer fuel to the fire, offer yourself to the fire of the sun.
साधक ईंधन,
You are
सविता आग,
just like a fuel, and Savita and sun,
आग
just like
ईंधन का
fire.
समर्पण,
Samarpan, surrender. Just like what Vivekananda did to himself.
विसर्जन,
Complete surrender.
साधक का आत्म विसर्जन,
Complete surrender of the sadhak. You are the sadhaks. Devotee.
साधक सविता एक,
Unification of sadhak and the Savita.
भक्त भगवान एक,
Unification of the God and the disciple.
एकत्व
Unification.
अद्वैत,
Becoming one like sun. Becoming one like sun. These were the instructions in the voice of Gurudev, and it gives us a imagination of the how does the sun look like, how should we contemplate, how should we imagine about the sun god, how should we imbibe the vibrations. Just for a few seconds, imagine the sun rays falling on you. Try to absorb those rays. You are becoming golden, just like the peak of the Himalayas. You are the peak of society. You are at the peak of the human consciousness in the early morning time. You have to absorb those golden rays, and you have to become like that. Try to imagine that you will also spread the same light by your qualities, by your actions, just like Sun God. Imagine that the time has come now for the early morning dawn time, and the Sun God is going to come. When it comes, we'll have a glimpse of it. When you will go out for yoga, you will see the glimpse of the sun. That time, just bow your head and try to absorb the vibrations of the sun. Absorbing the qualities of sun. What is sun's quality? It's bright, it's illuminous, it has got sin-destroying power. One who is lighted with sun will never commit anything wrong in this life, unethical things. One who is enshowered by the sun rays, he will never commit anything like saying, being angry all the time, being jealous towards someone, having a hatred, feeling of hatred. These things will go away. Try to imagine these things will go away. Gradually, I'll become like sun. These are the feelings which should come to you. I'll become warm like sun. I'll be throat warm. I'll not be cold like a listless, alsi, like a lethargic and very that type of person. I'll try to become more and more energetic. Warmth means energy. Warmth means our inner awakening. Whole body has to be charged. There are three bodies: physical body, mental body, and the causal body. Physical body is the one which you see, for which you take so much care. Mental body is the one through which you think, And causal body is one through which you express your emotions. Make these three bodies stronger by vibrations of the sun. It takes 5 minutes, nearly 5 minutes every day. If you do that meditation, you may be able to see sun or you may not be able to see sun. Today we did with imagination. But if you do it with the instructions of Gurudev, my meaning in English is available in the CD, in the DVD, and you can do it like that. Akhand Deep Darshan, we already done it. So that is done. Before we go out for Surya Arghadan, I'll ask you to relax a little bit. Relax. Raise your hands like this. Try to straighten yourself. Everything is going away. Whatever was remaining after coming to this place, you are brought and you are put in your chair here. But still the sleep is there, a little bit sleep. We'll get enough time in the day to have a nap, half an hour nap, just 1 hour nap. But if it is possible for you, after taking your lunch, take a half an hour nap. But this is Shitilika, relaxation. Relax yourselves, fully relax. Let us try to be in a relaxed posture all the time. And let us try to be very, very erect posture or very, very straight posture when we are doing something. So, if you are doing something, some steps you are going to take for your life, then you should be in the erect posture. But you should be relaxed in your mind also. Be relaxed in taking decisions. Be relaxed in doing something. This is something which is very important for you. Whatever the tensions were there in your mind, kind of a little bit state of stress, new day, first day, we are coming for the first time. There are a lot of you who come earlier also in the meditation, in the Yosemite last year. But you might be having a little bit fear of what is going to be done, what will we be able to do or not. All these stresses, take out those stresses in Shitlika. Relaxation achieved in a few moments, few seconds, page number 11, is equivalent to several hours of rest. You see, you may not be able to get that rest by 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sleep, which you may be able to get by relaxation by 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, few moments. And there are a few steps written here why I don't want you to do it, because that will make you unnecessarily just uncomfortable. What we do is we lie down straight on the bed and leave the body like a dead body, loose, dead body posture, Shavasana. Send signals from the mind, page number 12 top, from the mind to each part of the body to be completely stress-free, relaxed, totally stress-free. And in the state of complete rest, with light, deep breath, try to take with me. When you are lying down and on your bed doing relaxation, take deep breath and then leave it slowly. Convey the message from the sole of the feet to the top of the head, cranium, this one. That with a quiet mind, take your focus to various parts of the body. Try to visualize each part of the body, your hands, your shoulder, your heart, your body, your abdomen, both the knees, your joints, your bones, your tissues, your various arteries and veins which are running in the body. If you are a student of medical sciences, you can imagine about that. If you don't, then you can just imagine that these are all my tissues, my inner tissues. They are getting clean, they are getting very, very relaxed. Everything is getting relaxed. Give gentle affection and gentle instruction to your inner parts to be free from the pressure. For some time, imagine that you are lying like a baby. You never did it. After you became 3-year-old, 4-year-old, 5-year-old, you started living like an independent person. All the time shouting on your mother, all the time shouting on your father. You don't know, now I am big, don't say anything to me. But if you once in your life you become baby, then you will see that you are lying in the lap of the God. Try to become a baby or something. I have given one slogan to my children, my students, my disciples all over. Be born again. Be born again. Yesterday Chaitanya came to, Chaitanya has come here? Chaitanya Hazare from California. He came with his young kid, and he was in my lap, very calm and quiet. He was opening the eyes and watching everyone. Just become like that baby. Just about 2 months old, 1.5 months old. So, becoming a baby means losing all biases, all prejudices. Try to become a baby and baby born again. You are born again. Forget about what you have done earlier. Just try to imagine, make a new start from here. Make a new start. And this start should be so divine that you'll become gradually stronger, gradually stronger. We'll repeat all these things tomorrow morning also. Tomorrow morning you can keep on taking notes also if you want to make. I'll say slowly everything. I know everything is time bound, but we will continue this tomorrow. Sometime imagine that you are lying like a baby on a leaf, patta. There is one of the photographs in Gurdev's Gayatri ki 24 Shaktiyan, 24 powers of Gayatri. There is one of the meditation Gurudev says, lie like a leaf, and leaf is floating on this ocean. But you are not afraid because Gayatri Mata is in front of you. She will take care of you. Any mother will take care of you. Any God will take care of you. It's floating on water, there is no one around, there is water all around, instead of complete silence. This is what we do it. Okay? So before we go out for yoga, we will perform various exercises to open our joints. All these things. We do one pranayama, Surya Pranayama, Surya Pranayama. Keep your books below. Try to understand the instructions. Will someone like to explain the Surya Pranayama? Can you do it?
We'll have to sit straight, and we will have to do, I don't know if some of you are aware about alternate breathing. So we close one nostril and open the other one. But on this one, we will start with the right nostril. So we'll close our left nostril with this finger.
You have to make Pranav Mudra. Pranav is my name, you can remember. Pranav Mudra means like this. And when you do it like this, then this is closed like this. Whichever nostril you want to close, you can close it. But before that, you tell me, is your nostril clean? If it is not clean, take the tissue, clean it first. Because if you do something else, then something else will come out. Instead of Pran Shakti, then something else will come out. So just be aware of that. And every day in the morning, clean your nostrils so that there is no remnant discharge over there. Okay? So Pranav Mudra is like this. This helps you. Actually, this is the guideline. This one is the guideline. I'll just tell you the instructions how to do it. Follow the instructions accordingly. Feel that you are surrounded by the divine aura of Shanti Gun, divine pilgrim center Guru Satta. Make Pranav Mudra with the right hand. Close the left nostril. Close the left nostril with the ring finger, like this. Just make your hand like this, all of you. Bring it to your face, and with the ring finger, which is the ring finger? This one. Close it like this. Okay. Then make it like this. Close the ring finger by left nostril has to be closed. Left nostril has to be closed. Go on inhaling from the right side. Imagine that the sun rays are entering your body from the right nostril, Pingla Nadi. This is known as Pingla Nadi. So imagine that. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Gradually. And their pious and holy warmth is enlightening and beginning the entire, brightening, illuminating the whole entire body. Hold the breath for some time and imagine that the intense energy that has just been taken in through the breath is collecting in the navel region. It has gone up to navel region and the Surya Chakra is becoming full of it. There is a sun, solar plexus over there. There is mini sun in your body, solar plexus. Try to give a bath of the Prana Shakti. Its luster is increasing. Now close the right nostril by another finger, by the thumb. See, initially I told you these 3 fingers, not these, but these are the 2 fingers to be used. This is for closing, for inhaling, and then this is for closing the right nostril. Close fully. No. Let the light remain in the navel region so that the whole solar plexus is lighted. Just for a few seconds. How many seconds you might ask? How many minutes? You cannot do it for minutes. You cannot retain the breath for that time. How many seconds? 5 to 10 seconds. If gradually you can increase this period for a longer seconds, like 12 seconds, like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, then this particular process will give you immense immunity. More than 3 to 4 families, they refuse to come here because of the allergies. The allergies are so common. Their family, whenever they go out somewhere in the jungle or picnic area, everybody gets allergies. Bronchial asthma, choking of the throat, the various conditions, skin allergies, all these things. They will never occur to you if you keep on doing it. So this is how the first step is done. Inhaling, retaining, and giving a bath to your navel plexus. Which is the navel area? Can you tell me which is the navel area? Navel area? They are like us. Navel region. And behind that navel region is solar plexus. Behind that navel region is solar plexus. Solar plexus is nerve fibers and surrounded by the vibrations of the nerve fibers. This solar plexus is the mini sun of your body. Okay? So this is what is the first process. Remain without breath, and as long as it is easily possible to imagine that the vital life force is there. Vital force is Prana Punj that is collected in the Navi Chakra. Navi Chakra. When I said navel means Navi. Can you imagine how English and Hindi are similar to each other? Navel, Navi. So navel is Navi, okay? You will remember this much of Hindi, navel is Navi. So Navi, let the body, let the energy be there. And now with the same feeling during breathing in and out, do the reverse of this shape. What did you do? You close your left nostril, inhale from the right nostril. Leave it from the left side. Now inhale from the left side. Just reverse. Right to left, left to right. Let it be there. Leave it from the right side. You took it from the right side and left it on the left side. You take it from the left side, you leave it on the right side. This is one cycle. This whole is one cycle. This is known as Surya Vedana Pranayama. And it's so important to continue it every day If you do 5 times Surya Vedana Pranayam, it will keep your inner conscience, inner body, inner all system very clean. Thus breathing from the right and breathing from the left nostril, breathing in from the left nostril and breathing out from the right nostril makes one round of Surya Vedana Pranayam. Do it 3 to 5 times. I have done in your book. Do it 3 to 5 times. Okay. Now once you all will do with me. Okay. Take Pranam Mudra. Keep it like this. Close your left nostril. It's a very small process. It's a very tiny thing which you are doing, but it's very, very powerful. It charges you. It is just like you put a cord to your mobile for charging. It's just like charging. So try to do it every day, 3 to 5 times. Now once you will do by yourself. When I say do it, take out your hand from there, nose, keep it in your lap. Start doing it. Number 1, inhale from the right side. Close your nostrils. Leave it from the left side. Now inhale from the left side. Retain it for some time. Immediately don't leave it. Retain it for some time. Giving a bath to your solar plexus. Leave it from the right side. How much time it took? Anybody can imagine how much time it took? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds? Around 20 seconds. But this time has to increase to 40 seconds gradually. So you will be able to do in 3 minutes around 5 pranayams, 2 minutes around 5 pranayams. And gradually practicing, it will make you very stronger inside. The vitality will be stronger. Once again, I would like you to relax yourself. On your left, on your left, on your right. We will all stand up, keep our books and everything tidy. Gradually, your books will be there only, nobody will be disturbing them. Gradually turn to your right, and one by one go out to do yoga. Yoga they will do there only.